This is John with WTI. And since I was a kid, I've always been a fan of dressing all of my meals with a little bit of olive oil. And this is where this Goya extra virgin olive oil comes into place. And it's not like I'm doing like wine chasing, but I can definitely spot when olive oil is going to be high quality. And this is one of them. The texture, the taste is strong. You can really feel the olive oil. And the fact that I can just use this as a dressing for any one of my salads or just top it up with any one of my meals, it's just great. The whole idea of having like an extra virgin olive oil, it just gives you like a stronger taste that is going to add up to any one of your meals. And the texture and the quality of how this is built. I don't use this to cook. I just use this as toppings or just to marinate things. And it's just awesome. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.